Imagine a world where beauty is not just skin deep, but a product of innovation and technology. Welcome to the era of L'Oréal's revolutionary new line of products. It's no secret that the beauty industry evolves at lightning speed, but L'Oréal has taken a quantum leap with their latest offerings. Their new liquid lipstick, for instance, is not just a lipstick, it's a groundbreaking blend of color and comfort, designed to deliver a matte finish that lasts all day without drying your lips. This is a stark contrast to the past where matte lipsticks were synonymous with dryness and discomfort. The new liquid lipstick comes in a plethora of shades, catering to every skin tone and personality. This is a game changer, especially when compared to the limited color range of older versions and even some competitors' products. But the innovation doesn't stop at lipstick. L'Oréal has also reinvented their gels and eyebrow pencils. The new eyebrow pencils have a unique edge, allowing for precision and versatility. Whether you're going for a bold brow or a subtle, natural look, these pencils have got you covered. And let's not forget about the gels. They're smoother, longer lasting, and more comfortable than ever before. This is a huge leap forward, especially when compared to the sticky, uncomfortable gels of the past. But perhaps the most exciting part of L'Oréal's new product line is their gold and silver eyeshadows. These shades, which have become a staple in the beauty world, are now available in L'Oréal's palette. They're highly pigmented, long-lasting, and easy to blend. In summary, L'Oréal's new products are not just a step, but a leap forward in the beauty industry. From their innovative liquid lipstick to their versatile eyebrow pencils and their stunning gold and silver eyeshadows, L'Oréal is setting a new standard in beauty. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Experience the revolution in beauty with L'Oréal's new line of products. It's not just makeup, it's a lifestyle.